YouTube family. Welcome back. What's going on with y'all today, man? It is your boy Jay coming at y'all once again with another unboxing, but this unboxing is no secret. But the secret is going to be that both you and I don't know what to expect when we do unbox these shoes, man. Yes, today we will be taking a look at the Jordan 6 Carmines. Yes, it is 2 weeks later and we are still talking to Carmines because it is still a topic of discussion, you know, with all the defects that they have had. And I have not, me personally, I have not seen any videos that anybody has posted unboxing a pair that they got directly from Nike. So this is a pair that came directly from the Snkrs app. My wife hit on her account, she hit in my size. So I'm curious, man, are they gonna send your boy a crisp, nice, freshly icy white pair, or are they sending out defective pairs? Because we do know, based on my vlog, if you have not checked out my vlog, my pickup vlog for my Air Jordan 6 Carmines, make sure you check that out. The stores in my local area were selling pink pairs, not pink, even though I'm country, because y'all was killing me in that vlog video, pink. But hey, man, we country boys, man. Hey, they say we country, bro. Yeehaw! You already know it, man. But hey, yo, man, that's that. But make sure you check that out if you haven't already. But anyways, man, we gonna get into that. But before we do it, this is y'all first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man. Hey, say what up to Bernie. But after you do that, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 50K. We recently hit that 48K mark. Truly a blessing, man. Big shout out to each and every one of you all out there, man. Like I said, I truly appreciate y'all. Y'all the ones that keep me grinding and going, man, because sometimes I be like, man, this YouTube stuff, man, but I remember about the fam, and hey, it never fails, man. Y'all always be leaving me positive vibes and positive things down in the comments, man. So hey, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Make sure y'all slap a like on this video, man. Make sure y'all do that for your boy. And yo, man, let's go ahead and let's try to get this video to 1,000 likes, man. I know we can do it, man. I know we can do it. We get them views, man. Just hit that like button for your boy so we can get these videos out there, man. But yes, let's go ahead and see what Snkrs app is sending out to the people, shall we? Appreciate that, Snkrs. Appreciate it. A little late though, but I know it's storms and all that, but you know, hey, I appreciate it. Y'all didn't cancel my order. Speaking of cancel orders, man, hey, I hate it for y'all that got y'all orders canceled, man, because that's not a good look. Once you get that item, it's supposed to be locked, signed, and sealed, and all that. But when they take that away from you, I already know that could be just a vibe killer, man. But appreciate y'all for sending me my pair, man. But hopefully it's a crisp pair. But I'm gonna get back to y'all. But yo, man, hey, boxes are good, man. As y'all can see, nice and sealed. I did not peek in it, none of that, you know what I'm saying? I waited to bring it to the fam before I showed anything. So this is gonna be a surprise to myself as well, man. So let's get into it. Pop it open real quick. And if y'all have not checked out my review on feet to the Carmine 6 video, make sure y'all check that out, man. I got some lace swaps in there, give y'all some different ideas. As well as too, make sure y'all head over to Sneaker Max Tees and cop y'all a Bernie tee, man. We do have a couple new colorways in this. We do have Bernie tee for the upcoming Jordan 1 University Blue, so make sure y'all go check that out. And yo, man, hey, grab y'all some of that merch, man. Use that promo code JTSG for 20% off, man. And if anyone has any issues with receiving their orders from Sneaker Max Tees, hit me up on Instagram. Hit me up on Instagram in my DM at JayTheSneakerGuy, and I will guarantee I will get y'all taken care of, man. So hey, don't feel shy. Just go ahead, hit me up in the DM, be like, hey, bro, I haven't got my order, blah, blah, blah. Send me your order confirmation, screenshot of that, and trust me, bro, within 24 hours, 48 hours, I'ma have you updated, bro. But yo, man, let's pop it open, bro. Got the box right here. Regular Air Jordan 6 box. Y'all see, ain't no surprise. Y'all already know what it is that we getting into. We just don't know if it's defected or not, man. And if it's defected, it's going back. It's going back. And these shoes have been popping up at local stores because they have been a lot of late shipments on these shoes. So they have been popping up, man. But taking a look at it right there real quick, it is a size 9. Y'all already know the Carmine details. I'm not gonna go through it. This is not no review or nothing like that, but just showing y'all it is your boy's personal size. Shout out to the wifey once again for exercising her sneakers account and getting me a double up, man. But popping it open. Oh, I already get a glimpse of it. As soon as I open it, you know, I see a little piece of the shoe right there, man. But let me close that, you know. We gonna do it a step at a time, you know what I'm saying? As I told y'all in the review video, y'all seen the paper. It is that light cement paper, that new type of cement paper we've been getting on retro 5s and 6s and stuff lately. Y'all see my lot number, everything. I don't even gotta show all that, but I'm gonna show it because y'all know it's coming straight from the source, man. But QC sticker, all that, and moment of truth, man. Let's check it out. Bam, bam. This is a crisp. When I say crisp, this is a crispy pair of 6s, man. So big shout out to the Snkrs app for not failing your boy. I do not see any pink. I don't see any pink on the pair that I got. So just based off of, you know, the pair that I just received, you know, and it coming from the Snkrs app, I hope that they sent out nothing but, you know, fresh pairs, because, you know, when it's coming straight from the source, it's not a good look for them to be selling defective pairs, man. So I would think that they would have fixed that. But yeah, man, let's check it out real quick. Let me set this stuff back here. Presentation stuff, y'all already know how that go, man. But yes, sir. Double up in the building, man. And now it's not for sale, man. I'm, you know, one gotta be on ice, one gotta be crisp, man. Cause like I said in my first overview of this shoe, I think I wanted to double up because I want to keep, bam, that bottom, that icy white, boy. And I could put some sole shields or something like that on there, man. But yeah, like this is a crisp, clean pair, man. Very crisp, clean pair of Jordan 6 Carmines. I am not mad at the pair that they sent me, man. So big shout out to Nike. It did take a while. Let me know if the shipping in y'all area is kind of slow right now, man, because of all the things that is going on. I am still waiting on a big pair of shoes that had me pulling my hair out, like, but it is on the way, man. So big shout out to the people that made me get the shoe that I got coming on the way. It will be in an upcoming video, so y'all stay tuned for that, man. But just a quick overlook, you know what I'm saying, a quick overview, give y'all a close-up of my crispy white pair of Jordan 6 Carmines. And I had an idea, man, of an outfit that I wanted to put together with these Jordan 6 Carmines. And I mean, I'm gonna share it with y'all. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, make sure, oh yeah, and make sure y'all get that tee, bro. Make sure y'all get that Bernie tee, bro. It is hitting hard. You see him, you see Bernie swapping it out, and then you do got that stamp, that swapped stamp of approval right there on the tee, man. But these shirts have been selling out crazy, man. Big shout out to everybody who has picked up one of these shirts, man. If y'all do got one out, y'all follow me on Instagram. Make sure y'all tag me in a post on Instagram. I will make sure I repost it and share it and let everybody know that you are rocking out with the fam and you got that thing looking right, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I was telling y'all about an outfit idea that I had for these. Hey, remember, I don't care if somebody takes it, but remember where you heard or seen it first. But what I was thinking to do with these, right, is put some blue laces in it. Blue laces. I don't know, maybe I got this red and blue thing from the trophy rooms, and we ain't even gonna get into a trophy room talk because everybody is in their feelings and feeling some type of way about the trophy rooms. But I thought about it. I was like, throw some blue laces in here. And I know by me just saying it to y'all are, man, you are tripping. Hell nah. Don't throw no blue laces in there. But let me show you where my mind is real quick. Y'all dripped off to me to the swap land. Let's go to swap land real quick. All right, man. We are over here in swap land. And you know, blue laces, rumors, it's rumors everywhere, blah, blah. So why not put my own little touch onto these Carmine 6s? I think I lost the blue laces. I thought I put them in here. They done sunk into the shoe, but you know, some blue laces, you know what I'm saying? Throw some blue laces in the Carmines. Let me know. If I throw some blue laces in the Carmines, what y'all think about that? Is it a go, a no-go? Wait, let me take y'all a little bit further with me. And whenever I'm doing lace swaps, I don't be swapping out the laces until I do this. Like, I want to get an idea of how the color might look with the shoe. And I do think that that'll go just like that. And then, you know, you gotta have You feel me? You see where I'm going? You know, with some nice light blue jeans, Jordan 1993 All-Star jersey. What y'all think about that, bruh? Let me know. Jordan 1993 All-Star jersey with the Carmine 6s with the blue lace swap. You know what I'm saying? And nah, I'm not just gonna tell y'all here. I will be posting up an outfit pic with this on my Instagram. So make sure that you are following me. And as you can see right there, hey, that's all I do. That's all I do. Mitchell and Ness, the real deal. We don't play. We do not play. We don't do anything else but that Mitchell and Ness. But yes, man, look, your boy gonna do something crazy with it. It's giving it all-star vibes. I don't know. I might rock this in Atlanta all-star weekend or something. You know what I'm saying? Who knows? Who knows, man? But stay tuned. You seen it here first. Hey, swap, 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 man. Hey, it's all about how you rock the shoes. Anybody can get a pair of Carmine 6s, but who's thinking of putting blue laces in it and rocking it with that off? We done, man. We done. But big shout out to Nike for the crispy pair, man. And hey, follow me on Instagram at JayTheSneakerGuy. That fit pick is coming soon, and I truly appreciate y'all for all the love and continuous support, man. Make sure y'all slap that like button, man. We different over here. We doing it different. And hey, a whole lot of things are coming, man. So hey, I might have, not even might, I will have that early look of the taupe hazes. I know it drops very soon. I'm gonna have it up before it drops, so stay tuned for that video. And I appreciate all the love and support, man. Y'all stay blessed. Your boy Jay. Whoo! Whoo! Jay the Sneaker Guy. Checking out, man. Till my next one, man. I'm gone. Rumor has it. Peace.